Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll show you how you can quickly install Git on a Ubuntu machine. The command is very specific to Ubuntu, and if you're using a different distribution of Linux, make sure you use appropriate install command to install on that particular distribution. So on this Ubuntu 20 machine, let me run Git just to show you that Git is not installed. As you can see, it is not, and it kind of suggests that we can run sudo apt install git. Let us run the command sudo apt install git. Enter the password, and as you can see, it is downloading. It is setting up and it is done. Now that it is installed, I can run the git command. As you can see, we see the whole help, and now it pretty much says that it is installed. I can also do which git. You can see it is in user bin git. Well guys, that's it in this lecture, and I'll see you in the next.